Studio are going to solve Tower of Hanoi. Although this is marked as medium problem, but it is pretty easy problem and we usually begin our coding journey from this problem. So here we will be given three towers, source, destination and helper. GFG has renamed them. It renamed source to from, helper to auxiliary and destination to name. Okay. Now we have to print. Now we have to move from source to destination using helper array, helper line, and along with that we have to follow a certain guideline that never a bigger disk will be placed on top of a smaller disk. Okay, so we need to find out what will be the procedure, and at the end we will print the number of ways using which we have achieved a requirement. Okay, so to begin with, first, what will I check? If n equal 1, I mean if there's only one disk, then there's nothing to do except we just need to move the disk from source to destination without using any auxiliary. Okay, so I'll just print along with move disk n from rod. Okay, from rod. Now from rod, what will be here? There will be source, which is from in our case here, and then to rod destination, and destination is 2. Cool. And apart from that, they have a very beautiful thing. We have to return how many ways, how many steps we have taken to achieve this step. Since here is 1, but still we have to return 2, it's our n minus 1. These is the total number of ways using which we will achieve our destination. Okay. Now apart from that, if there are more than one row, one disk to be moved, so we'll just iterate over it. So there's simple way from source to helper, which is from to auxiliary, and then again from auxiliary to destination, which is 2 over here. Okay, but we have already taken the one step, so we will remove the last one and we'll go ahead with n minus 1 disk. Okay, so in place of from, we'll get from only, but in place of 2, we'll get auxiliary because we are moving from source to helper. Okay, and then we'll go to 2. Again we'll have to print something. We'll print on the similar line, so I'll copy that, move disk and from S to D, which is from to 2. And you'll be wondering, how will I print from and to again and again? So it means the value of from and to will get changed time and again, and hence it will be able to generate a desired result. And once more we'll need to call it again for n minus 1, because this is what recursion is. And this time, rather than moving from helper to destination, we will move from auxiliary, which is helper, to destination. And our helper will become what? Our helper will become source, which is from. And at the end, as we know, we have to return how many ways we have used. We'll just return 2 raised power n minus 1. Now let me compile it. Okay, we are getting some error. It is saying maximum recursion depth reached. Okay, okay. This should not come. There should be some problem in our code. Okay, now I know what I have done. So I omitted the return statement over here. That is why the recursion limit exceeded again and again. Okay, now it is able to do the job. And yeah, it does the job in pretty less time. So I hope you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.